well. But Nimesh joins us to tell us what is he picking up in terms of D-Street chatter. Nimesh.
Hi Nigel, well, the markets did recover from the day's low, but there is larger pressure in the broader markets. And I'll tell you a couple of reasons why, which is what I've picked up for specific reasons on why the broader markets are under pressure today. The one, of course, is that today is the last day for the P&L disclosure from the FPIs, and that's putting some pressure on the broader market stocks. That's one feedback that I picked up. The other are a couple of reasons. One, because of the March end phenomenon, typically till the 15th or the 20th of March, you might see some pressure on the broader markets because largely the book gets unwind for HNIs and retail investors. So that's also putting pressure on the broader market stocks. And the third being, there is a lot of regulatory action happening on individual names and individual entities, and that has got a lot of connect in the broader market stocks, and hence that's putting pressure as well on the mid cap and small cap stocks. So that essentially explains the reason why the broader markets are relatively under pressure and are underperforming in today's market. Well, the Nifty is down more than 125 points. Bank Nifty is down 400 points. But again, from a flow perspective, it's not like this is led by very large FI selling or the DI selling. So it's quite mixed is what I understand, that equal number of buys and sell. But the larger offer seems to be more on the broader market stocks. That's overall feedback. So again, a day when markets are consolidating, it's largely the broader markets which are under tremendous pressure.
What about stocks? Have you picked up, any interesting information on any of the stocks?
Well, Rima, so in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list is ITC. That has come off from the day's high and a bit of pressure as well. And now the street is anticipating a large block deal very soon. Remember, the BAT wants to sell 4% stake in ITC, and that requires regulatory approval. If the approval comes in from the government, the block can happen very soon. So that's the reason why a bit of nervousness on that stock in trade today. The second name is ApolloTyres. There were reports about some price cuts as well by the tire names. And there is additional pressure of some selling as well in names like ApolloTyres, and hence that stock is marginally under pressure today. The third name is Birla Soft. Within the IT names, relatively outperformer today, but the stock has corrected as well from the recent highs. But looks like at these levels, some of the buying interest is back. So expect high delivery volumes, and some FI interest seems to be back in stocks like Birla Soft. And the last one is JTL Industries. I spoke about a lot of mid-cap names, aggressively under pressure today. JTL stands out. Big sell-flow is what I understand, and that's the reason why that stock is locked at 20% upper side. But it's not only JTL, but there are a lot of these mid-cap, small-cap names which are essentially under pressure on concerns of regulatory actions against some individual names, and hence JTL is also under pressure today.
Yeah, got that, Nimesh, and that also was a point of discussion with the SEBI chief today. I mean, she didn't go into specifics of the JM case, but in general, the regulator seems to be far more active with a lot of technology at their disposal. Now it's algos picking up instances where there's a compliance breach, and therefore we're seeing more heightened regulatory action, perhaps. Thank you for that, Nimesh. Let's quickly now move on.